आज वर्ल्ड ट्रेड टावर नोएडा सेक्टर 16 में वाड्सपे टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिया ऑफिस का फीता काटकर विधिवत रूप से दीप प्रज्वलन करते हुए शुभ आरंभ किया गया। आज इस मौके पर वाड्सपे के पदाधिकारियों सहित मुख्य सहकर्मियों की विशेष उपस्थिति भी रही। आइए देखते हैं इसी से जुड़ी हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट।
Formed in 2018 in Singapore. Since then, we have expanded the company in India, in the Middle East, and also in Africa. So now we have offices in Africa, and of course, today we will be back office in India. We are a blockchain-based company. We have a payments platform which deals with payments, but with traditional and non-traditional technologies coming together through the use of blockchain. That's what Wadzpay is.
So, what is the vision of the company?
Vision of the company is to enable an interoperable blockchain-based technology infrastructure that addresses the ever-increasing need of the new set of customers or consumers who are coming into working on blockchain and looking at solutions that address their specific needs.
Totally, your company is in international level, but now you are pursuing in India also. So, what do you expect from the India people?
The way we looked at India was through a development center that we wanted to create for global deployment. And the India Center establishes because of the talent and because of our ability to engage and enable people and capabilities that are available here. So we put our development center here. Certainly we have a distributed model on a development center, but this is where a lot of the thought leadership and the product and the tech field will come from.
According to you, sir, how you see India's people? What do you establish your company or even
It's a fast evolving and emerging market. It will be a very interesting market for us in the long term. But of course, like Ram mentioned, we have started with a development center here. Commercialization of operations will happen over time as we see the market evolve, and we will start looking at this.
there are lots of payment gateways, and how your company is different?
See, current payment gateways are again based on traditional technologies which have been there in the market. What we do is interoperability between traditional and non-traditional technology, which is using blockchain. And that's what's the major differentiator of Wadzpay from rest of the payment gateways which currently exist.
People are very familiar with the method services in Paytm and USD like this. So what is different between your product and
See, it's not that we are different. We are probably going to enable these existing payment methods as well. Because, as I said, what we are doing is something different, which is non-traditional payments. And once we enable that, we will not only be working with the likes of Paytm, or we would like to work with the likes of Paytm, but several others as
There are
well.
lots of competitors, sir, from you. There are lots of competitors in the market, but how you compete with your company to others?
As this is an emerging space and we're trying to address a need which is getting created in the market, especially depending on the regulatory framework, we are different in a sense that we are an infrastructure company and we are trying to build products and propositions that will enable the engagement of the new set of form factors that are coming in, and that's how we see to be different.
What is your expectation from the Indian people?
I mean, of course, we would like to, as I said, commercialize the program eventually, not right now. But I think we will look at adoption as important because India is a big market. It's a market which is not important. So eventually, when we do land up and commercialize the products in India, we will look at adoption and market relevance once that happens.
Nowadays, it's a very tough matter of security matter. So, how much secure you will
See, it's based on blockchain, and blockchain inherently is a secure platform. But of course, there are other security testings and security methodologies that we built around the program to protect the program. We're not in a B2C space, we are more in a B2B space. So security works where it needs to be a lot more secure, and a lot more tools are deployed behind. And of course, as I said, blockchain being inherently secure helps us achieve that security, all your security.
if any message you can send the
I will not be able to comment on technology in terms of what we use as different technology, but there are several tools that we deploy, including pen testing, penetration testing, etc., to secure the platform.
At the end, what message you will give to the viewers who are watching to you about your company?
See, as a company, we are very, very clear that we are trying to solve for a capability to an infrastructure on blockchain payments. And this is a company to watch, and we as a team are very excited. And we think we are building a capability which is globally deployable and also addressing use cases which are probably traditional but on the new ways. And this is what I will leave the message.
Sir, how you and your team will work to compete to others in the India and make an international brand also in India also?
As I said, what we're doing, we are building something which is new, which does not currently exist. We are far ahead of competition. And as we roll the product out, we all Wadzpay is already an international brand with presence in Asia, in the Middle East, Africa, and now in India as well. So I think as long as we keep delivering good products and cutting edge products, our market relevance and market presence will keep getting strong.
Thank you.